Hey lovelies, it's Cindy from MyStyleSpot.net. Do you guys ever break out like me and sometimes wonder what's happening? I know for me, usually when I start to get zits, it's because my makeup brushes need to be cleaned. I admit I can totally slack on cleaning. It can be such a pain just holding the brush under running water with soap trying to clean it. Seems like it takes forever. Seems like it never really gets clean, and it's just super frustrating. And I tend to be lazy and replace brushes, which is ridiculous because they can be expensive. And really, when it comes down to keeping your brushes clean, not only are you going to keep the zits from coming up, but you're going to extend the life of your brushes, and you're going to be spending less and less money there as well, of course. So I'm super excited to share with you guys my easiest, quickest way to keep brushes clean, and that is the LarmHoi Makeup Brush Cleaner. Now this is pretty amazing. I'm going to show you in a minute how it works, and if you stay tuned to the end of this video, I'm going to give you a 20% off coupon code as well to purchase it on Amazon. So it's really awesome, you guys. This is just a great product. It comes with these rubber collars that your makeup brushes are going to fit in, and then you're going to slide it onto the cleaner and put it in the bowl of soap and water and turn it on. And it's gonna clean your brush, and it only takes 30 seconds to do it, and you guys are gonna be amazed with how much cleaner your brushes are. I couldn't believe how much time and effort it was saving me. Absolutely love it. This is a must-have product for me for sure. It also has a handy portable cleaning mat, which you can rub your brush on afterwards to get out any little bit of residue that might be left over. Although I found most of the time it just came out perfectly in the water and soap with the brush cleaner. So pretty amazing there. It also works with every brush I have. These attachments that it comes with is made to fit every size. And so I didn't have any problems. Every brush fit. And you're gonna find you get 98% cleanliness using this makeup brush cleaner. So really amazing. It's gonna really get brushes clean. It's gonna kill bacteria. It's gonna get rid of those nasty dead skin cells that tend to build up on your brushes, and of course, the oil on it from your skin, and that's what's gonna cause those blemishes. So when you're getting rid of that, it's gonna be much healthier for your skin as well, and better for your brushes also. So to start, you're gonna take the bowl provided in the kit, and you're gonna add some water and a little bit of soap. I love baby shampoo. It's just soft and more gentle on my brushes. So then you're gonna take your brush, and you're gonna find the right attachment out of the 8 provided that fits your brush perfectly. And then you're just going to put the attachment onto the makeup cleanser. They slide on really easily, it holds firmly. And then I'm gonna push the button, turn it on, dip the brush into the water, and clean for 30 seconds on each brush. And that's it, super easy. Once the 30 seconds is up and the brush is clean, remove from the rubber attachment, and you can brush on the mat to get any little extra residue that might be out. And then you can also use the back to hold up any of your brushes so they dry. So now I'm going to clean one of my smaller eyeshadow brushes. So I'm just going to find the rubber attachment that fits perfectly. It should slide in easily but have good grip. Then attach that to the makeup cleanser, and I'm good to go. Just turn it on, dip it in the bowl, again, hold for 30 seconds and let it do its magic. Once finished, again, I will rub on the mat just to make sure it gets out all of the makeup and oil. And as you can see here, my brushes are looking super clean and fresh, and I'm excited to start using these again, knowing that I'm not gonna break out because they are healthy and great for my skin. You can also dry your brushes by using the brush cleaner and spin for 10 seconds. I use it in an empty bowl to keep from making a mess. And just like that, it's perfectly dry and ready to go. I love the LarmHoi makeup brush cleaner. It's just really durable. I love that it's portable. I can use it wherever. It just takes 3 AAA batteries and you're good to go. You don't need to plug it in or anything like that. It's really safe on brushes. It's not gonna cause any harm to them. If anything, it's gonna extend the life because they're gonna be cleaner for longer. And it's just a really great high quality product, and I just love how easy and fast it is. It just really adds to helping my life be better because my makeup brushes are cleaner and I'm not breaking out as much. and I just absolutely love it. And this is like the second product I've tried from LarmHoi, and I've been really impressed with their products. They really offer high quality, very affordable products on Amazon. So super excited about that and can't wait to try more from this amazing brand. So are you guys ready to try the LarmHoi makeup brush cleaner for yourself? Visit them on Amazon and use my coupon code for 20% off. And the code is KH5YCDCF. And click the link below to purchase it on Amazon. You'll find it there. And be sure to check out all their amazing 5-star reviews. They have a ton. Everyone is loving this makeup brush cleaner. It makes life so much easier. It keeps those brushes cleaner for longer, and it's just better for your skin as well. So be sure to check them out today. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel for free weekly content, and please like, share, and comment on this video. Thank you.